Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you today? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is on English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 14, and its title is Traffic Issues. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 5B, we will learn under the title of writing how we can write a narrative paragraph, and we will cover a page, question number 10 on page number 132. Before in English for grade 5, my dear students, we have already learned about paragraph writing, that how we can settle a paragraph on page number 69. You can. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. Our today's students' learning outcomes are: write sentences of your own using correct capitalization, punctuation, and spelling. And the next SLO, write sentences of your own using correct capitalizations and punctuations. Use appropriate vocabulary and tense to capitalization, punctuation, and spelling. Write a simple paragraph by narrating an activity and extending surroundings. So these SLOs we are going to cover up today, my dear students. My dear teachers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Tawbah, verse number 122. So let's see, my dear students, what Allah Almighty is addressing. They could devote themselves to studies in religion and admonish the people when they return to them, that thus they may learn to guard themselves against evil. So yes, my dear student, this beautiful verse is telling us about those people, those people want to learn religion. Want to learn religion means they study themselves to the religion. Religion means they want to study their religion, Islam, that how we have to behave with others, how we have to do, and which actions are legal according to the Almighty Allah, that which Allah Almighty, what Allah Almighty ordered us, and how we have to obey. So this actual thing is called to study religion, okay? Knowledge about religion. This is called, and how when we this beautiful verses, my dear students, explaining nicely that when we study religion, when we know about religion, our Islam, teachings of Islam, then definitely this thing will, but it will get us away from the evil. Okay, we will not move toward bad deeds. Definitely we will not move when we have knowledge about that Allah Almighty, what likes and what does not like. So definitely we will avoid such type of things. Okay, so let's pray that, my dear students, Allah Almighty may protect us from all these evils. We must follow instructions of Islam that are being delivered to us through our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So let's refresh our previous knowledge about paragraph writing. Describe the important features of a paragraph. So you have to describe to your teacher within a second. Hurry up, I'm waiting for you. Describe the important features of paragraph. Pause the video, my dear teacher, and get answer from your students. Excellent job, my dear students. Already we have learned that paragraph writing and features of a paragraph. Okay, now again I am going to deliver that. What is a paragraph? A paragraph is a series of meaningful sentences that are organized together and related to a single topic. The main thing is that, my dear students, related to a single topic and a series of meaningful sentences. This is called a paragraph. Two things are so important in a paragraph, my dear students. One is that this is a series of meaningful sentences that we can get sense easily. And the next is, main important thing is that it will related to a single topic sentence. Okay, that is our actual paragraph, and an accurate paragraph always give you a single topic sentence, and other all will be related to each other. So let's see its features, how we can write a paragraph. Paragraphs have three parts, my dear students. Even which type of paragraph that is, which paragraph you are writing, but you have to follow three parts at any cost, and so compulsory, my dear students. Number one is topic sentence, and the next is supporting details, and last one is concluding sentence. So let's get detail that what is the topic sentence. The topic sentence, the first section of a paragraph includes the topic sentence and any other sentence at the beginning of the paragraph that give background information. So yes, my dear students, so what is a topic sentence? A paragraph always have three parts. The very first part is called a topic sentence. So what is a topic sentence? The very first lines, it can be a one line and it can be two lines. Okay, so topic sentence can be comprised by two lines also. So these first one or two lines are called topic sentence, that about which we are going to discuss. What is the first line and what all other details will related to that topic sentence. So let's see what is I have already generated a paragraph and I'm going to tell you its topic sentence. Cats are good pets. So our paragraph's topic sentence is cats are good pets. So let's see what is the next. Next part is sporting details. So sporting details follows the introductions discussing the main idea using facts, arguments, examples and other information. So my dear students, in sporting detail we discuss the main idea that we have already told that this is the topic sentence. So in sporting detail we will give examples through different resources. It can be an information, we can get some facts also. So we will discuss all these things and we will support the topic sentence. How? See there what I have done. What was our topic sentence there? Cats are good pets. Okay, so let's see its sporting details. Okay, these are the sporting details. What are sporting details? Let's read, my dear students. You don't have to take a cat for a walk every day like a dog. Okay, now these all sentences are supporting the first, why cats are good pets. Have you got, my dear students? See there, you do not have to wash cats because they know how to clean themselves. Okay, so if you want to go on vacation, you can leave some food and water for your cat. It will be okay. A cat sleep on your bed and keep you warm at night. So yes, these all are sporting details, my dear students, and giving us a message that why cats are good pets. So this sporting detail giving examples, also giving that facts also, arguments also, that why cats are good pets. So have you got that? These all sporting detail is related to our topic sentence. Is it clear? So yes, next, which is the next part? Last one is concluding sentence. Okay, final sentence. The final section summarizes between the information discussed in the body of the paragraph and the paragraph's controlling idea. So yes, my dear students, the last sentence always support both things, sporting detail and the topic sentence, according to two parts. So in the concluding sentence we will finalize our whole discussion in one or two lines. Okay, so let's see how I have finalized. Yes, I think these are the things that make cats good pets. Now have you got that? So this is our main idea. Okay, so this is our concluding sentence, that I have given reasons also that why cats are good pets. So at the end I told you that I think these all are things that we have discussed in sporting detail that makes cat good pets. So see there, yes. So have you got, my dear students? Now this is a complete paragraph. See there, this part is this is topic sentence, good, and all this is, my dear students, till here, this is our sporting details. Have you got now? Same thing, I organized the paragraph. The sentences already we selected and we have written. So now I have organized a complete paragraph. So this is the last point is, what is the last point? Yes, this last point is our concluding sentence. Now you can get that this is a complete paragraph. In this way, my dear students, we can write and we can organize a complete paragraph. So keep remember that we have to follow actual punctuation marks. So full stop is there. You can judge where we have to use comma, okay, and where we have to capitalize our sentence, the first letter of a sentence, even where it is, okay, and where we have to put comma. We have to put comma. There two punctuation marks are being used mostly, full stop and comma. Have you got that? This makes an actual paragraph and an understandable paragraph. Have you got? Good. So if you have got, so we are moving toward an activity. Let's see what you have got. Yes, my dear teachers, make 3 groups of students. So yes, my dear teacher, your first step, you have to make 3 groups. According to your class strength, so you will divide students into 3 groups. So next is, one group will discuss a topic sentence. So first group, what we'll do, first group will discuss a topic sentence. That group will select a topic sentence. It's up to them. The second group will discuss the supporting details, and third group will finalize the paragraph by providing concluding sentence. Teacher will guide students properly during this activity. So this activity is very interesting. They have to discuss the 3 parts. 3 groups will be and 3 parts will be. So let's play this activity in your class, perform this activity in your class, and then come back. Welcome back. I hope you have enjoyed and now you have got that how we can finalize and how we can organize a paragraph in a sequence and in a detailed way. Good job. So yes, my dear students, open page 132 on your book. Question number 10 is there. Write some sentences on how we can avoid accident. Okay, you have to write some sentences. Sentence structure already I have given you. Already I have told you that how we have to write sentence. First letter always capital, and at the end of the sentence we have to keep full stop. Is it clear? So perform this activity individually in your class, but that work you have to do on your notebooks with neat and clean writing. So pause the video, my dear teachers, and get this activity in your class and then come back. Welcome back and good job. I hope now you are able to write. Good. So what's our homework for today? Write a paragraph, the responsibilities of a good citizen in your notebook. So you will write the responsibilities of a good citizen. What is a good citizen and what are his responsibilities? So this is your homework, my dear teacher. This is paragraph writing worksheet. So you should provide it to your students in printed form, and they should write a paragraph to enhance their knowledge. Okay. So what we have learned today? We learned today what is a paragraph and its different parts. We also got knowledge that how we can organize a meaningful paragraph for better understanding. And in this way, we have covered up our SLO. Write sentences of your own using correct capitalization, punctuation, and spelling. Write sentences of your own using correct capitalization and sentences. Use appropriate vocabulary and tense to write a simple paragraph by narrating an activity and extended environment. So yes, my dear students, good. We have done with it and we have completed and we got that how we can write a nice paragraph. Okay, so today's lecture is going to be ended, my dear students. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till then, thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.